Where are you at now and where do you want to be? In terms of collecting invoices, where are you at and where do you want to be? Right? For Chris Truder in consulting in Japan, in terms of revenue coming in from outside of the United States, where are you at right now? Where do you want to be? Right? Figure out where they're at now. What is their current situation? Sound familiar? It's going to show up in an email later, so you might as well ask them right now. Where are you at now? Where do you want to be? That's going to allow you to do what? Send them a power email. Hey, Barbara, the purpose of this email is to summarize my understanding of the current situation, capabilities needed, and next steps in getting you guys a new logistics provider that's going to help you enter into the Southwest United States market on time, ahead of schedule, whatever it is. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you wanna double, triple, quadruple your closing, right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University Mini Masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm gonna cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.